Well, internet and watchers, it is footing day, concrete day. Here's the concrete truck, and we had inspection this morning, trying to beat the rain. Look at these clouds here, and right now we dropped the first truck of concrete. But this is the how the footing is gonna lay, and this is your rebar that's in the footing, and these little wire things are called chairs that's holding up the rebar to keep the foundation real strengthened. If this part is wrong, then your house will settle and have cracks and not be good. So you always got to start right. This stuff is slow moving at first, but don't let it fool you. But once the concrete is dropped in the footing and it's running into the channel walls, that tool that young man's using is called a come along, and it's right here, and that's how they move the concrete and manipulate it to where they want it to go. It's called a come along. Thank you again for watching Tiny Flipper, and please like and subscribe. Leave any comments below.